Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to take you to my latest project. This one is a 7-bedroom HMO that we've just finished. It's in Nottingham and we purchased it for £280,000. We've spent £115,000 on the renovation. Let me take you inside. Right guys, when we purchased this property, it was a 6-bed HMO and it had a completely different layout. We fully changed everything. We actually did a large extension on this property. This is what the property looked like before and this is what it looks like now. So guys, this is the main living kitchen area of the property, and as you can see, this is all an extension. So the extension actually comes from here. So it started here and then we built all of this. So this is a 25-meter square extension. Now we've gone for the herringbone floor, brand new Howden's kitchen, and we just wanted to make it feel very nice and comfy for the tenants. So I've even gone as far as buying them some Prosecco and some nice chocolates right here. So guys, when we purchased this property, it was a tired 6-bedroom HMO, and honestly guys, it was run down and beat down. What we did was we applied for planning permission to actually turn this one into an 8-bedroom HMO. That got rejected, but they did say we can do a 7-bed HMO. So this property is now classed as sui gen HMO, which basically means a large HMO. So it's very easy to get this property on a commercial valuation.
So there was no original floor plan when we purchased this property. However, this is the current floor plan that it is now. Main change is we turned bedroom number 1 into a communal bathroom and a bedroom, and we added in the large 25 square meter extension.
Now it's in West Bridgeford in Nottingham. And basically West Bridgeford is one of the top areas of Nottingham. Like, the house prices are very high. So that's why this one cost £280,000 to actually buy. But if you look at the location guys, I'll just show you here. So as you can see right here, we're next to the Forest football stadium. So if there is any Forest fans that are watching my channel, remember to like this video, drop me a comment to let me know as well. Now this project wasn't easy to do guys. We had quite a lot of stumbling blocks and a few things in our way. Because when you're doing a project like this, not only do you have to get planning permission approved, you also need to get environmental health to approve the layout and everything within the property. You also have to get HMO licensing to be happy with it as well. So there's 3 sectors that you need to make sure are happy and satisfied: planning permission, environmental health, and HMO licensing. It's not just as easy as getting planning permission approved and then just cracking on and doing the renovation. I wish it was that simple, but it's really not. So guys, if you follow me, as you can see, we've got the automatic lights here. So this is actually an emergency light and it's actually on a sensor. So whenever someone walks past, this light will come on. Now, this area just used to be one big bedroom, but what we've done is we've separated it. So we've got a bedroom here and we've got a communal bathroom right here. So the minimum room size in this area is 8 square meters. And as you can see guys, we've got a fully finished, fully furnished, nice bedroom, which is roughly around 12 square meters. We've gone for the nice feature wall color here with the nice paintings. We've also added in something new, which is a new thing I've been trying, which is the LED strips. So they can actually control the strips from the bed, and it's got a dimmer as well. We went for the nice radiators here. These radiators only costed about £120 for these radiators, so it's not much more. Well, it is quite a lot more than a normal radiator, but it adds such a difference, guys, which I'm sure you can tell. So good investment on our side. Okay, so right here we have a fire panel, and this is basically a requirement of large HMOs. And any HMO that's 3 stories or above, you will definitely need a fire panel. So I always put them in most of my projects anyway, just to be safe. But this is the bathroom. So with this bathroom, we've just gone for the nice basic tiles. These aren't expensive at all. All of the stuff in here is actually quite cheap, guys, but it just looks nice. We've gone for the LED mirror here. Now this is a little bit more time intensive when you're doing LED mirrors with the lights, because you have to get the electrician to wire this in. So this is not like a battery operated LED mirror. And let me show you the rest of the property. So if you come down here, you will see we have bedroom number 2. Right guys, this is bedroom number 2. Now stay tuned to the end. I'm going to talk you through all the rental prices and what we're going to expect numbers wise on this deal. We're expecting a revaluation of around £1,000. Of course, we've got fire doors throughout. Now, if you guys follow my channel, you know I'm all about making sure we are HMO compliant. If you want to get a HMO license, you need to make sure all of your properties are fully compliant to the HMO standards. So pretty basic stuff, guys, but to be honest with you, there are lots of HMO requirements. A few of the things are, for example, you need emergency lights in a lot of the areas in all the escape routes. You also need fire doors, fire door frames. fire rated locks, a banister. So as you can see right here, this is another HMO requirement, a banister. The fire panel, as I showed you before, smoke alarms in all of the bedrooms and the communal areas as well, and the escape routes. Now guys, before we head upstairs, I want to show you through here, because we've actually got something a little bit different, which we don't normally have, but we do have it on this property. Follow me down guys, we have a basement room down here. Now, as you can see, we've got a little games room set up over here. It's not fully finished yet, but this is a basement room. Now, as you can see, the ceiling height, I'm 6'1", 6'1", so the ceiling height's not massive, but it's fully compliant, guys. We had to change this window as well. The window was too small, so it wasn't compliant, but we have changed that, so it's much bigger now, so it is an escape window. We're probably not gonna rent this as a bedroom. We're just gonna rent all the other rooms. Yeah, happy days, guys. Let's check out the rest of the property. Now, as you can see through here as well, we do have more storage areas here, which we're gonna put like a washer dryer. Probably put 2 washer dryers in here. Okay, so I've showed you the basement rooms. Now I'm gonna show you the rest of the property. Follow me. Okay guys, so this is floor 1, and we've actually got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms on this floor and 2 bathrooms. So this is actually bedroom number 4. Okay guys, so right here we have a single room. We'll just put some nice furnishings, for example, this. It's actually quite nice. Kind of like this a lot. This is one of the rooms, guys. Pretty basic. This is the smallest room. Okay, let me show you bedroom number 5. Okay guys, this is bedroom number 5. Again, I'm happy with the way it looks. We've got a wardrobe, chest of drawers, nice pictures here. Do more of what makes you happy. Be the reason someone smiles today. I didn't choose these guys, my team did, but I think they did a pretty good job, guys. What do you think? Comment below. So I just want to give a massive shout out to Mortgage Style. If you guys need a mortgage broker, they're the best brokers in the whole of the UK. Check out the link in my description for their contact details. Honestly guys, they are the best. Okay, so I've showed you bedrooms number 4 and 5 on this first floor. We have bedroom number 6 through there, and we have 2 back-to-back bathrooms right here. Now the reason I did this, guys, is because when people are getting ready in the mornings, I didn't want it to be friction and people arguing with each other, so I decided, let's do 2 back-to-back bathrooms. So again, we've kept the same specifications on the bathroom, and again, we've gone for the LED mirrors right here, and nice shower head, waterfall shower head. So 2 of these bathrooms exactly the same. One there, second one here. Right, this is bedroom number 6. This is probably one of the bigger rooms. I love this room, guys. They've kind of messed it up. I had this looking all fresh, but anyway, we've got a nice photo here, LED strip above the bed, and again, the nice radiators right here. Right, so challenges on this project. Before I show you bedrooms number 7 and 8, I just wanted to tell you that planning permission can take a long time. Now, it's not necessarily planning that takes ages, but it's the back and forth between planning, environmental health, licensing, and building control. All of these 4 different elements, you need to make sure everything is sorted and everything is good and everyone's happy. So that's what slowed this project down. So this project actually took us around 16 months to do the whole thing, but we are now at the completion stage. We've already applied for the refinance, so that's happening and that's in motion. Okay, so this is a 3-story property. We are now on the 2nd floor. This is bedrooms number 7 and 8. I'll quickly show you and then we'll go on to more detailed numbers. Bedroom number 7, real comfy and real nice. Right, this is bedroom number 8. We've got a nice window here, brand new window that we added. Hello, is anybody out there? Could anybody hear me? Help! Yeah, it works, guys. Now guys, one thing to note, these right here are door closures, fire door closures. So basically what it means is when you shut the door, this door should shut automatically, which it does. Perfect. When it comes to the build team, I used one build team to do the full renovation. So I had a fixed price. We started off with the pricing was around £105,000. We ended up spending £115,000 because of building controls being super annoying. Building control was so annoying on this project. They wanted us to do the most, guys, for this project. And honestly, a lot of the stuff they wanted us to do was just unnecessary, but we did it. We used the expensive material. We had to get a structural survey done. They wanted us to underpin the extension. We just did a lot of extra stuff, which I don't think was actually needed. But extras came to around £10,000. Not ideal at all, guys. But on a big project like this, you do need to make sure you are having some contingency budget, because it can be nasty when you get big extras on a project. But anyway, guys, let's get into the numbers. Okay guys, with this property deal, our expected monthly profit is going to be around £1,800. Now this is just expected monthly profit because we don't know how much we're going to rent the rooms for. The reason I say that is because we've got it on the market right now. We've got it listed for quite high. So we've got some of the rooms listed for like £700 a month, all bills included. So essentially guys, we need to see how much we end up renting this property for before I can give the detailed numbers. However, I will say this, we're expecting conservatively to make around £1,800 net profit per month after the refinance. In terms of money pulled out on this deal, again, it depends how much we're getting it valued for. So I'm a person where I don't want to share figures unless I know they're factual figures. Okay, so right now it's too early to say. However, I can say we're expecting a revaluation of around £450,000. Anything above that, obviously we're super happy with that. This one is a working professional HMO. We have had offers from different social housing providers that want to take on this property. So we had an offer for £470 per room over 7 rooms. So their offer was to pay 2 months up front. So that is £3,290 per calendar month, guys, and they would cover all of the bills. So it's a very attractive offer. We're on the final stages of this project, guys. Super exciting because this one is in a really good area. So long term, this is going to be a very good asset to keep for the next 10, 20, 30 years. My biggest lesson on this one, guys, was to basically, if you're doing a big HMO like this, is to do a 16 or 24 month bridge. Now, I know that sounds crazy, guys. You might be thinking, why would you need to do such a long bridge? But the truth of it is, guys, is that there's so much details that go into these big HMOs because, as I said earlier on in the video, you have to deal with all the different 4 components. Just to recap, planning permission, building control, environmental health, and HMO licensing. So all of these 4 organizations, they have to be happy with whatever you're doing. That's why I'd recommend you do a longer bridge, because all of these components, they can drag out your project a little bit. And that's exactly what happened with this one. We did have to extend the bridge, which meant, guys, we had to pay a 4% penalty. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for next week's video.